This is a tutorial to help you make paper sculptures. This tutorial will be about loops. Loops is a way for you to create a design with your paper sculpture. With a loop, you will need only two supplies. The first one is any size paper. This is a small sheet of paper. And you will need glue. And of course, you will need your surface to put it on. So with my paper, I am going to bend it in half. I'm not going to crease it. I'm just going to leave it just like that. I'm going to get some glue. Take my glue top off. Roll my top up just a little bit. And I'm going to apply the glue onto one end from one side, the right, all the way to the left. I have my glue applied. Since I'm not using this, I'm going to roll it down, put my top back on, and I am going to try my best to push it along the edge, have the edges meet, and I'm going to hold it for a couple of seconds, applying pressure so it can be secure. Once I feel that it's secure, now I have my loop and I'm going to apply it to my base. You can use glue or you can use staple. And if you want it to really be secure, you can have an adult use a hot glue gun. I'm rolling my glue back up, applying glue on one side only, going along from my right side to my left side. I'm going to roll my glue down, put the top on because I'm not using it anymore. And I'm going to apply my loop onto my paper surface. Now, if you want to make a really good design with the loop, you can start on one edge and keep on bringing the loops up on top of each other. You always want to put a new loop on top of the flat surface, not the curved surface. If you put it on top of the curved surface, it will flatten the curve and it won't look 3D. And that is it.